So welcome back to my channel guys, hope you guys are doing well. So most of you guys were asking about the gadgets and accessories which I use for my motovlogging setup. So I decided to do a dedicated video for that, so this is the video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video guys. So when it comes to motovlogging, there are two things which comes into my mind. One is safety and the other one is comfort. So when I say safety, the first thing that comes into my mind is the helmet. So I use this empty helmet which has a polycarbonate shell, and it is dually certificated by ECE and DOT, and it weighs around 1450 grams, so it feels light while driving. And the most important thing is it has removable and washable interiors so that we can always keep the helmet clean and neat. So the next accessory which I'm going to show you is this Acepedia jacket. This is the Acepedia Icarus new mesh jacket. So it gives us a very good protection, and it is a level 2 jacket, and it has some elbow and shoulder protection and also for our spine. So it takes a good impact when we fall down from our bike. This jacket is not that heavy, so it can be worn for a long period of time while driving or riding, and it gives a very good protection as I said before. And since it is made of mesh, the important part is whenever the temperature is high or it's scorching heat, airflow will be more, and it makes travel so easy. One of my favorite accessories, which is my riding boots. So this is the Orazo Picas riding boots, and it comes in two color, and my favorite is this black one. Most important thing is it has a steel toe protection, so whenever we are traveling and when you are about to hit a stone, you don't need to worry about it. It is made of a very good material, very comfortable to wear for a longer period of time. It comes with a reasonable price for this quality, and I really recommend this Orazo boots for riding. Comes one of my favorite accessories which I got from this Rhinos brand, the Rhinos Magnapod tank bag, which has a capacity of 21 liters, and it is my favorite one because it acts as a tank bag also as your backpack. Since it has a capacity of 21 liters, I can easily stuff the things which I need for my travel, and I really recommend this for your travel too. Now let's look into the gadgets which I use for my motovlogging setup. Here is a GoPro Hero Black 7 which I bought recently in Amazon. The reason why I didn't go for Hero 8 Black is that it doesn't have a removable lens cap, and the Hero 9 is too expensive. GoPro Hero 7 has a good audio quality, but it's not that great. So in order to fulfill that, I got this external mic from Boya, which is Boya BY-M1 microphone. So it serves my purpose of motovlogging. The Boya mic has this cute little dead cat over it so that it reduces the wind noise. Microphone cannot be attached with this GoPro, so for that I got this Gopro Mic Adapter. To complete this motovlogging setup, I got this case from Ulanzi. This is a brand which makes a vlogging case for GoPro. So this comes with a horseshoe mount where I can mount this external Boya mic. Since it has a dedicated compartment for this GoPro adapter, I can easily put the adapter in it, and I can connect it with the HDMI cable too. I got this dual battery charger from GoPro along with the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Whenever the GoPro is out of charge, I can charge the other one and replace them. It comes with a USB-C port, so I can easily charge it with my mobile charger also. Since it is small and handy, I can easily take it over to places and charge the GoPro on the go. So this is it guys, these are the accessories which I use for my motovlogging setup. Hope you guys like the video. I will put the link in the description box below so that you guys can go and check it. See you guys in the next video. Take care, bye bye.
It's the money, yeah.